just sharing a quick haul of some things, random stuff I needed to get today for the house and for some projects we're doing. As you know, we're doing some stuff in the house. I was gonna hand paint the numbers, but I seen these cool numbers at Walmart for 97 cents, and you really can't beat them. I'm gonna paint them white, being that they're gonna be sitting on a black background. And these are 3D plastic 4-inch letters. I needed some more of these bowls. I like to use these when prepping my ingredients for cooking, and also for butter dishes when I'm eating seafood. I got those from Dollar Tree. 4 of them for at Dollar Tree. I got some more spray bottles. These are for cleaning products and for my hair braiding spray that I like to sell to my clients when they need stuff to keep their hair moist and their braids nice and not dry looking. Those are 97 cents, 96 cents. And then I got this heirloom satin white paint. I got 2 of these. I'm going to be doing my table. I don't like that marble look. It's like an old faux marble look. I don't like it. And these were $3.86 a piece. I may not use both of them, but I got 2 just in case. Some extra gloves because I'm going to be doing the door, stripping the door, the paint off the door. Dollar Tree. So if you're looking for gloves to do stuff around the house where you need to protect your hands, Dollar Tree. They're also good for gardening. I got this from Lowe's. We had to go to Lowe's today. And this is a goof off stripper. So I'm going to strip the door, and I'll be doing a video on this to see how this comes out. I was told that this is the best way to do it is with spraying it and then putting saran wrap on it. It helps to make the paint come off much easier, especially if it's an old door with several layers. This was saran wrap from the Dollar Tree. My hubby needed some more water shoes. His other shoes are just too big, so he got these from Walmart for $5. I got 2 scrapers for stripping the door, and these were from Dollar Tree, a little one and a big one. I hope you guys can see me. I'm trying to do it with my other camera. And I started getting these wipes because these are flushable and these are really good for children. And I said, why not start using these myself? And you get more. You get 6 containers. It's $2.88 and it's like $6, $6.48 for this big box. So these are the wipes that I use in my home now. And then we got a couple snacks. I got some Chunky Monkey for me, Chunky Monkey for the hubby. I hate that Ben & Jerry's does not sell these in bigger quantities, like the half gallon. Then I seen that they had these at Dollar Tree, which are LED lights, 60 watt, and it's a warm white, and I got 3 of those, which is not bad for LED lights. And my hubby wanted chips, so he got some of these. And I wanted some puffs. These are so good, guys. I told you about these several months ago in another video, but these are so freaking good. From Dollar Tree. I also got 2 sets of sheets for my window in my room. And then my hubby got some butter cookies from Dollar Tree. We also got some concrete to fill in a hole in the front yard, but that's it so far. That's everything we got today. Oh, and I got this huge tote. Let me see if I can find it for y'all so I can show it to y'all. From Target. Hold on. It is really big. I could not believe that this was only $15. This thing is a 45 gallon and it has wheels on it. This is going to be for all our winter coats and stuff. They were still in the closet, and I said let me put them up and have a place to put them in. I'm just going to put like a big label on it. But see how big this is to me? Like, this thing is huge. Like, my body can literally fit in here. And that is what else we got. So that's my little haul. You guys are enjoying these hauls. I know a lot of you like for me to share the hauls. Sorry. So I wanted to share that with you guys. But I got to get outside and start painting and stripping this door. But you should see a video of that as well. So I will talk to you guys later. I hope my revivers enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you thumbs up. And guess what, guys? This is where your girl is on social media. But before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.